Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to open a file with Vim with the cursor positioned exactly where you need it to be. This technique is great for quickly editing those config files. Let's jump right in. First, as always, I like to remind you of where to go when you forget your syntax. The Vim man page. From the Vim man page, we are going to cover these two options: num and pat. For starters, if you have no clue where in the config file you need to place your cursor, you can begin with the grep command. Assuming we want to modify the keyword authorized keys file for the SSH daemon, we run grep-i for case insensitive, -in for show us the line number, a substring of the keyword, and the file name we are searching in. Grep tells us that the keyword we are looking for is on line 42. So we type vim plus 42, then our file name. And it will take us directly to the line number we need. We can confirm this two ways. At the bottom right, and if we toggle the line numbers. If you know the substring of the keyword, you can type it, but this option is case sensitive. Thank you for watching.